Before a vacation, if I had 5 minutes in Dollar Tree, here's exactly what I grab. All of these travel hacks are some of the best, and nothing costs over $25. This is everything good on a dime. Between work and family, I've traveled a lot over the years.
I am super frugal in every area of life, but when it comes to travel, I really value it. Things get old and break, but experiences, even the kooky ones, get richer and better the more you tell them. I save a dime everywhere so I can spend time with the people that I love. So whether you're flying or you're driving somewhere this summer, we've done a ton of different climates, and I've had a lot of experience packing bags, doing it affordably. These are not nifty ideas. These are actual products that really work that I use. My favorite, I think, is the last one. But first, we're heading to Dollar Tree for travel staples, whether you're driving or flying, that will save you at least $40 getting them here.
The name brand travel gear is insane. They have toothpaste for $1.25. They have name brand Pantene, and they also have Monday brand shampoos. Like, what?
These same products in the same size are over $2 at Walmart. Affordability is my Super Bowl. You know this. These squeeze tubes at Dollar Tree are the exact same as the ones on Amazon. Here they are side by side. Can you tell which is which? These are airtight, leak-proof. That way you can take your Dollar Tree shave cream, shampoo, conditioner, fill these up, and you don't have to worry. I have used these on over 12 trips with nary a leak. And a brand new product for 2026 are these cosmetic vacuum dispensers. I picked this up in a recent video, and these work really great for liquid toners. They come in a large size and a small size. I want to show you how easily these dispense. It pushes up the liquid so nothing goes to waste, which is sometimes a problem with these travel size tubes. It's a great buy. In case your Dollar Tree doesn't have stock, I will link the Amazon option below too, because these are worth it. And stay tuned, because I'm going to show you how to be an expert packer, and it is affordable. But first, there's a few weird items in Dollar Tree you might not think would be good for a trip, but you're going to want to grab them.
When you're on vacation, pack these Bermuda Blue Citrus. This is a dupe of Anthropologie's Blue Volcano. These are laundry sheets, so you don't need to have any like laundry pods. Just stick this in. You can do laundry at your destination. Trust on this, they smell really good.
Laundry pods without liquid. They even have a free and clear version too, and these Tide pen dupes that are awesome.
Next, I would grab these toothbrush protector covers by Guru Nanda. These are excellent. And Dollar Tree is a really great place to get name brand medication in smaller quantities. That's perfect for travel, so you have a little mini pharmacy to take with you. When you know, you know.
The travel size makes these really convenient. I always grab Band-Aids and these Dollar Tree alcohol swabs that are activated when you break them. Their razors and deodorant are great. And don't forget to grab a shower cap and some panty liners, but more on these weird hacks in a second.
At this point, we're in this together. Like, if you struggle to use the bathroom on vacation and then you finally get the opportunity to, Dollar Tree now carries name brand poopery, okay? I said this was a little unhinged, but this is all good stuff. Come here, it's at the front. I'm gonna show you where it is so you know where to find it.
Traveling with kids, sharing rooms, these are my two most used products. Stick this in your purse along with the OxyClean Stave Remover pens. I promise you will use both of them. When it comes to organization for your luggage, I have this on lock, y'all. I have spent years and years using the best products. First up is a hanging toiletry organizer. I've been using some version of this for over 10 years, and I genuinely don't know how people live without this one. Instead of one giant black hole where you're digging for toothpaste and face wash, everything has a home. I can see my contacts, shower products, skincare, toothbrush, literally everything at a glance. And when I get to the hotel, I don't unpack. I just hang it up and I'm done. It takes up no counter space, and this one is under $15. And if it helps, I'll have it linked down below. I am very zipper picky. This one is a fabulous buy. And if you're like me and you're a makeup and skincare girl, let me show you this bag, which actually is 3 bags in one. This bag is genius because not only is it affordable, when you unzip it, everything stands up and stays visible. No rummaging, no dumping everything onto the bathroom counter. This is like a moving countertop that comes with you. I can see every product that I brought in seconds. I've traveled with systems like these for years because the biggest travel frustration isn't packing. It's not being able to find what you packed, and these make my entire routine feel effortless. Speaking of visible and effortless, I highly recommend these zippable tech books. This fits extra charging banks, all of the cords that I need to bring so I can see everything.
Listen, you might be watching this video right before you're traveling. Every single thing in this video in my area was overnight delivery. So if you're a last minute packer, I got you.
Some of the best products are yet to come, but before we get there, I've got to share with you some unconventional tricks.
First off, before you leave home, I want you to take a pad or a liner and put this in your underwear.
If you're going on an overnight drive or an overnight flight, once you arrive at your destination, remove the pad and it's like you have a brand new pair of underwear.
I'm saying this is gonna change your life.
Another life changer you can find at Dollar Tree, they're also on Amazon, I'll link them below, are these mini disposable toothbrushes. We've kept this on so many overnight or international trips. You don't need water to use these toothbrushes. You can throw them right away so you feel fresh and clean when you arrive. And I bet you didn't know Dollar Tree had your travel pillows.
All right, so they have these travel pillows in the Dollar Tree Plus section. Feel this, Charlie. It's like memory foam. Beautiful, right? Did you know that you're supposed to wear the pillows not like this? You wear them like this. Watch. And you can sleep on the plane. Like, the whole time. I was almost today years old when I figured that out. I really like this pattern. They also come in a black.
My children are like recreationally wearing these things.
Smile, Owens.
I've seen people try to get very fancy contraptions for this, but I have just found plain old memory foam. It is the most comfortable, the most versatile. It's something the kids would use. I can't tell you how many trips we've taken this on. 10 out of 10. If you can't find these at Dollar Tree, they're on Amazon for a few more little dollars.
I'm a total eye mask snob. I like the ones just like this. This has a little ridge in the center that again is nice and cool memory foam, and it's a little well for your eyes to sit in. It's nice and comfortable on you. It's not gonna slide around. This is worth investing in. These 4 things, all linked down below, game changers on a flight.
This is the best one on the market, in my opinion. At the best price, it's less than 10 bucks. And those shower caps, yep, all these years later, I still put them over my shoes. Sometimes I double them up to completely cover my shoes and luggage so it doesn't get dirty. And speaking of luggage, I want to share with you the best luggage, but first, how to pack it. Did you know that you can use washable garment bags as packing cubes? You get 2 for $1.25. These are the perfect size. They're almost exactly a packing cube size. So I put entire outfits into these.
By this point, you've probably heard of packing cubes before, but have you heard of these guys? I got them on Amazon, and what's great about them is they have a double zipper system. So you can put in everything and then zip the second zipper. For very loose clothing, for soft clothing, this works so well to almost double your space in anything you're carrying on.
A hack to pack is to mix and match. I get 3 tops that all go with the same 3 bottoms. So this gives me 9 different outfit combinations that all look good together, plus 2 dresses.
That works out to 11 different outfits. Here are all of the outfits together, and all of this, yes, all of it, minus the purse and sunglasses, are going to fit straight in one of these packing cubes. I just stack them up, and then you zip the first zip around. Then zip the second zip around, and it's going to tug the outfits smaller. So this is going to fit nice and compact. It's crazy to think all these outfits are in one packing cube. And now, small space packing activate.
This is the best and cheapest luggage you will ever buy. This backpack can act as a personal item or luggage that you wear on your person. It can hold so much. The zippers are incredibly quality. It is 4.6 stars.
At the filming of this video, it's only $22. You can see I stick all my clothes inside, the 2 toiletry bags that you saw me pack with everything that I need, lots of Dollar Tree finds, a purse, sunglasses, and I can even fit a hair tie in the side. And all of this easily zips up. For me, if I purchase a backpack or any bag, the zipper has to be really good. And would it shock you to know that I am not done with this suitcase?
Then the little back pouch in here, computer.
This can even fit my laptop so I can work on my short form video content that is coming out next week while I'm on the plane. I even clipped in the little sides to hold everything together, and in the bottom, I could even fit an extra pair of flip-flops so I am ready for the beach. Because this can fit under the seat in front of me, I still have a roll-on luggage that acts as my carry-on. This is one of my favorite purchases of 2026. We've been traveling in a very compact way recently. Yes, some of those images, I don't know if you can tell, were from our trip to Iceland last year. I'll be sure to also link down below some of our favorite lightweight and very compact rain gear in case you have a similar rainy trip coming up. Plus, I had to share with you an old faithful weekender bag. Maybe you're traveling by car. This is my favorite bag. It's one of my favorite affordable travel finds because it lets you lay dresses, nicer outfits, or really anything that you don't want wrinkled completely flat. If you don't have an outdoorsy trip planned, but you've got one where you want to wear some pretty dresses or you need your cruise wear or something, this is what I would recommend. All of those can fit right inside, laying on top of each other, and then you're going to zip up the bag itself into a duffel. I don't know what it is about me and a pocket, but every single time I have the opportunity to add something or store something in an extra space, I love it, especially when it's easy to get to. The sides zip up, and now I have a duffel bag that I can pack like normal. I love a good travel hack, and I love saving money getting there. But at the end of the day, the reason that I use all these little tricks is so I can spend less time worrying about my stuff and more time enjoying where I'm going. I think my favorite part about travel, though, is once you arrive, the best parts are usually free. It's watching the sunset. It's laughing so hard with your family you can't breathe. It's the majesty and freedom of being outside, the freest thing you can find. So go enjoy the things that don't cost a thing.
Safe and happy travels, and if nobody has told you, you are enough. I'll catch you soon.